Hi everyone. Welcome back to RSBOneStop. In this video, we will take a look at the count files macro to count the number of files in a folder, with and without a specific file type. This can also be used in multiple areas, for example, defining the progress bar length and percentage to be progressed based on the number of files the macro is working on. Count the number of files in a folder, or file types to determine how many files are being created or deleted over time for data analysis. Count and send an email notification if the number of files exceeds a certain threshold. Track the progress of a data migration by counting the total number of files and each file type that should exist in each folder. Ensure that authorized users have access to certain files with the help of Active Directory and the help of sample code like this. Now let's see how the macro gets the files count under different scenarios, including when there are no files in the folder and when the folder doesn't consist of the file type we are given. In this test folder, I have created a total of 18 files, including 8 Excel XLSX files, 5 Word for PDF, and 3 text files. Let's now see if the macro can get the total count and count of each file type correctly. Later, we will also check on other folders. First, let us check total count of files in the test folder. Now, let's see number of XLSX files in the folder. Now, let's count the Word files in the folder. Let's now check number of PDF files in the folder. And finally, let us see the count of text files. Now, let's look at how the macro will handle other scenarios. Let's count total number of files in some other folder. Now let's see how it handles an empty folder. Lastly, let's see how it handles if the folder only consists of a single file. Now, let's have a quick look at the actual code that I have written for this macro, which can also be used for multiple other purposes, as stated earlier. We'll leave the full code link in the description for you to download. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.